Hi, baby. What are you doing? Standing up. Look at that. Standing up in the high chair. Yep, that's awesome. Standing up in the high chair. I'm going to move all the way back so we can... Ah! Oh! Up and down. Stand up. Yay! And down. Stand up. Yay! And down. Stand up. Yay! And down. Stand up. Nope. Up. Stand up. Huh. Up and down. Up, watch your feet. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up. Also, currently obsessed with the buckles and attempting to do the buckle by yourself. Right? Okay, I got one end. I know what goes in this one. How does that work? That's quite the puzzle. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up, down, up, down. And we could do this for hours, except it's not so safe. Okay, I'm going to turn this off and buckle you back in or take you out. Ready? Say goodbye. Mwah. I love you. See you later. Bye. Mwah.